We are on the verge of one of the biggest booms in human history. And for once, I'm not talking about AI. I'm talking about Africa. By 2050, the African population is going to grow to 2.5 billion, meaning 25% of the world's population will live in Africa. And all of these additional people are going to need food, they're going to need shelter, they're going to need jobs, and these countries cannot provide all of this on their own. They're going to have to massively ramp up their cross-border trade to be able to cope with all of these additional people. And that's going to massively change global trade dynamics. And this presents a huge opportunity for businesses in the UK and the global north to help these countries and support them through that growth. And with the combined African economy set to grow to $30 trillion by 2050, which is 1.5 times the size of the EU's economy today, more and more companies in the UK and the global north are looking at Africa as a serious commercial proposition. But Africa's financial ecosystem is extremely inefficient. It's easy to send money to Africa, but try getting it out. It can take weeks to get access to US dollars, and the cost to a business can be as high as 15%. And on top of this, African transactions often get delayed or blocked by Western banks who have no localized knowledge of these markets. This creates a low-trust environment which totally undermines the entire ecosystem. There is an enormous need for a transformational shift to make trade safe, easy, and cost-effective across the continent. And that is where Kutana comes in. We combine multi-currency digital wallets, instant global payments, trade insurance, and trade finance into one seamless digital platform, enabling businesses to instantly access the currencies they need to trade, build trust across continents, and take their businesses global. Utilizing stablecoins and smart contracts, we have built a truly modern financial system that understands Africa and works for everyone. We launched at the beginning of this year, and so far we've achieved $6 million in annualized trade volume at 70% gross margin, which we can get to 80% at scale. By next year, we'll be doing 100 million in annual trade volume, and our target is to get to 10 billion in trade volume by 2030. Our team has experience of building fintechs across Africa and Europe. Our COO has scaled a Nigerian fintech to over 100,000 users, and our founding engineers have built multiple startups and fintechs between them. We're currently looking for a VC with strong conviction in the global trade space to lead our seed round of around $3 million next year. Kutana means to connect in Swahili, and what we are building will redefine how the world connects to Africa and how Africa connects to the world. Thank you.